ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Dear students, good morning. I hope you are so fine. Welcome to Python programming class. In this class, we will discuss about flow control statements in Python programming language. What is flow control statement? Flow control statements are the statements which control the flow of a program. Flow of execution. Once again, flow control statement. What is flow control statement? Flow control statements are the statements which controls the flow of a program. Okay, just reverse those two terms. Flow control the flow of a program. Those are called flow control statements. In Python programming language, flow control statements are divided into three types. Okay, first one is conditional statements. Second one is iteration statements. Next one is branching statements. Okay, three types are there in flow control statements in Python programming language. First one, conditional statements. Three of them is there, conditional statements. First one is if else, elif. If else, elif. These three are called conditional statements. Next one, looping statements. Okay, the looping statements are iteration statements. Anyway, iteration statements are looping statements. The looping statements in Python programming language are for loop and while loop. These two are the looping statements in Python programming language. Next one, branching statements. What are the branching statements? Break and continue. In C language, the same. Okay, like C language, here elif is there extra. Okay, first one, conditional statements. If else, elif. These three are called conditional statements. Iteration statements. For loop and while loop are the iteration statements. Next one is branching statements, break and continue. These two are the branching statements. Okay, in this class we will see the conditional statements. Next session we will see the remaining. First one, conditional statements. These three are the conditional statements in Python programming language. They are first one, if statement. Next one, if else, elif. Now we will see the program on if statements in Python programming language. This is the first program we are doing in Python programming about conditional programming. Okay, now we will do all the programs in class 7 folder. This is the class 7 folder. I am creating new folder class 7. In this folder we will do all flow control related programs. Okay, I am just creating the normal document, text document, just opening this one with edit with notepad++. Here first thing we have to do is save as. What is the type of the file? The type of the file is Python script. That's why I am giving here as Python file. Name of the file is flow control flow1, flow2, like that we will do. Save. The first statement is class 7. The first statement is if statement. Okay, we will see the if statement. Okay, first initially I will give the value sum a equal to 50. The value of a of the what is the data type of a? Data type of a is integer. I am writing the if statement, if followed by condition a less than 100. It is separated by colon. Colon is the separator in Python. It is the separator, colon. Here press the tab button. Tab. Okay, we must press the tab button. Print. Okay, if a is less than 100 means I am printing some names. Our college, MVR college. Next one, I am printing print. Class 7. Okay, that's it. Control say I am saving this file. If a is less than 0, less than 100, that is printed. We know that 50 less than 100 is true. If the condition is true, means that value is printed. Control, yes, Alt Tab. I am running this program. In order to run this program, what we have to do? We have moved to that folder CMD command prompt. Okay, which is in D colon change directory cd csc21. All our in this Python course, all our programs are available in this folder csc21 Python. Okay, next one, cd class 7. Okay, in this one one file is there. Just now we are created dir flow1 cls. I am clearing the screen. I am running this program. This is the command prompt. I'm running this program. Okay. What is the command for running program? Python. What is the name of the file? Flow. Flow1.py. Okay. Python cannot open flow1.py. Why? What is the mistake here? Flow comma dot py, not flow1.py. This is the name of the file. Flow1.py. MVR college and class 7. It is true because 50 less than 100 is true. That's why those two statements are executed. Suppose I am giving the here a value equal to 500. Control S, Alt Tab. Okay, once again I am running the program. Flow, no output came because a 500 less than 100 is false. That's why it will not come. Okay, this is about simple if statement in Python programming. Okay, next, another type of writing Python statement is here true. True means this is executed. If true, print MVR college class 7. Okay, so this is the one way of using statement. If the written value here true means it is true. That's why these two statements will be printed. I am saving this one. Once again, I am running this file. Okay, using command prompt, I am running this file. We will see the output. Okay, if I will place here true means, okay, both of them are printed. If I place here false means false. Control S, Alt Tab. I am running the program. Flow1.py. No value is printed. Okay, another way of using if statement is if it is true, it is printed. Otherwise, it is not printed. Okay, here I will put all possible varieties for if statement. Control V. Next, true means, what is the value true means? True means 1. Another way of writing if statement is, if it is 1. 1 means true, true means 1. If 1. Print MVR college class 7. Control save. Alt Tab. I am running the same program. Flow. 1 means true. That's why both values are printed. 0 means false. Here I will keep here 0. Control S. I am saving the file. Just I am running the file once again. CLS. Clear the screen. This is the DOS command. Okay. Flow1.py. No one is printed because 0 means false. Okay. I want to write normal code. If the function is true, it is printed. What is the normal code? Normal code starts with at the starting point. Okay, print Srinivas. Okay, Srinivas, if whatever may be the if, okay, after completion, if the statement is true, both two statements will be printed. Okay, otherwise, after coming out the control, the print statement will be executed. True means three values can be printed. False means only at any point of time, irrespective of your statement. This is a general statement, Srinivas. It is always printed. Okay, the conditional in C we will write block here, block like this. Okay, here no block is required. In C language we will write like this. Here no block is required. Just indentation at the starting point. All this is considered as block statements. Okay, now we will run here a equal to 0. Only Srinivas is printed. Normal code starts with from starting point. This is called indentation. Python is indentation. Indentation based statements are there. If here colon is the separator. Here colon is also must. Okay, if 0. If I am saving this file, I am running this file means okay. Srinivas will be printed. Srinivas. Okay. Suppose the statement is true. Here 1. I will write here 1. Okay, I am saving this file. Save. I am opening this one command prompt. I am running this one. Print flow one. Okay, all of them are printed. 1 means true. That's why MVR college class 7 is printed. Print Srinivas means general line. That is also printed. Okay, this is the one way of writing print statement. Okay, these are optional. Here previously we have seen that a less than 100. Okay, we may write in brackets also. This is another way of writing optional. If you want to write parenthesis means you may write parenthesis. Otherwise parenthesis are not required means optional. Okay, may this is not compulsory. We may write here or with parenthesis or without parenthesis. Okay, control A, control C. Another way of writing if statement is with parenthesis, without parenthesis. Okay, here I am writing. Yourself will try. No problem. If this condition is true, this will be printed. Otherwise, if this condition is true, the block of statements, these two statements will be executed. False means it is not executed. How to decide the block of statement? Indent. All these indented lines are related to this statement, if statement. Okay, this is about if statement in Python programming language. These are the different statements in Python programming. Next statement, next conditional statement is if else statement. In if else statement, we will see the starting statement followed by if, followed by condition, followed by false statement block. Now we will see the program on if else statement. Okay, this is the statement. Print this is true if here condition 6 less than 10 is the condition. 6 less than 10 is the condition. Six less than 10 is the condition. Else print this is false. Only one line. Okay, if it true means the first statement will be executed. False means else part will be executed. Here condition we will write like not like C if else statement. At the starting true statement if condition else print this one. Now we will run this program. CLS clear screen. Okay, Python flow2 flow2.py Srinivas because this is true. 6 less than 10 is true. Suppose here false. 60 less than 10. Control S. I'm writing here, running this program. 60 less than 10 is false. That's why this is false. We will write the statements here like this. If else one more statement I will write using if else statement. print. Print. I will write one of your students' name. Control V. If some, I will write initialize the variable a equal to 100. If a greater than 500, else print second student name Tejasvi 502. What is the output for this? 100, not like this. A greater than 500, print Tejasvi. If it is true, a greater than 500 is true. 100 greater than 500 true or false? False. That's why Tejaswini will be printed. If suppose a equal to 10 means first name will be printed. Control S. We will see both outputs. Flow2.py Tejaswini. Why Tejaswini came output? The statement a greater than 500 is false. Suppose here a equal to not 500, a equal to 10. 10 is also false. So 10 is greater than 500. 1000. Control S. 1000 greater than 500 is true. Control S. Alt tab. Python flow2.py Madhavi. Okay. We will write the if else statements here like this, in this fashion. One more statement. Suppose the statements are like this. Print one, comma, print two, and if a greater than 500, else print three, comma, print four. Suppose this condition is true, I want to print 1 comma 2. This is false, I want to print 3 comma 4. I have written the statements like this. Control S, Alt tab, flow2.py. What happened? Here a greater than 500 true or false? Okay, a greater than 500. What is the value of a? A equal to 1000. 1000 greater than 500 is true. What happened? Okay, 1 is printed. Next, 2 is printed. Because 1000 greater than 500 is true, 1, 2 is printed. 4 is also printed. I am not expecting in output 4. 3, 4 is for false. And 1, 2 is for 2. Okay, suppose here the condition is false. A equal to 100. What will happen? Observe the output clearly. Some analyzation is not required. Just what is going on in if else statement. Okay, If the condition is false, this is false here. Not this is false, we have to see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 is printed, 1 is also printed. The irrespective of the condition, the first and last statements are executing. Okay, print 1 is executing, print 4 is executing. The if condition is applied for only 2 and 3 here. Okay, in order to apply if statement, multiple statements are there means we have to keep all these in parenthesis. This all these in one bracket. Okay, else part all these in one bracket. Okay, like in this fashion we will write Control S, Alt Tab, CLS, flow2.py. This is false, Tejasvi. Okay, 3, 4. No 1, 2. Okay, if we put a block means that block of statements can be executed. Okay, this is in this fashion we use if else statement. Next one, if elif. We will copy this one into the notes. And next one, L if. L means else if. Okay, next we will see the FIL statement. L if. Okay, in this one, else if I am creating no new file, save as flow 3. Save. Okay, I am deleting all. A equal to RNO equal to 501. Roll number I am saving the way within the variable value RNO equal to 501. If RNO equal to 501, if this is true, RNO equal to 501, here it is important, separator is tab, we have to press the tab button. Okay, tab button. At the starting we have to press the tab. This is a indent based language. If we are typed somewhere not here at this point means error will come, indentation error will come. Okay, once again I am saying, after writing the colon, press enter, next line, press the tab button. Okay, if we not press the tab button means just normal code. Normal code starts from starting line, starting point onwards. Okay, this is the condition means this statement to be executed. Print. I am printing the name of the student. Print. Madhavi. And once again, I am not expecting normal code. Starting backspace elif RNO equal to 502 colon tab print roll number equal to 202 means print second person name. What is the name of the second person? Tejaswini. Control V. Print Tejaswini. Next, elif. Once again, backspace at the starting means backspace. For condition true statement means tab. Elif RNO equal to 503 equal to operator is like this, RNO like same like see RNO equal to 503 colon tab print what What is the name of the third person? For 4 students, we will write Bade Vera Venkata Krishna Vamsi. Okay. I will put all the names. Next one, else if backspace at the starting point we have to come. If I write here else if like C, it will show error. It is not allowed. Okay, indent based language. Python is a indent based language. One of the statement is we must to follow the indentation rules. Otherwise, indentation error will come. RNO equal to 504 colon tab print. Who is 504? 504 is Mahesh. Okay, this is the elif statement. If condition followed by the conditional statements, else if condition followed by the condition statement, elif, no else if, elif, elif. Finally, else, if none of them is true. Okay, I will write my name, print MVR College. Control S, I am saving this file, flow3.py. Okay, now I am running this program. This is a simple program using elif. If condition print statement, elif condition print statement, elif condition print statement. If multiple statements are there means we have to write within parentheses. Okay, first we will see this simple program. If elif, last one else, control S. Now what is the value of the roll number? RNO. I am expecting the output Madhavi. Okay, I am running this program, flow3.py, Python flow3.py. Okay, Madhavi, because RNO equal to 501. I will check all possible conditions. 502, control S, alt tab. Okay, flow3.py, Tejaswini. It is also true because roll number equal to 502. That's why the output is Tejaswini. This statement is not executed. 503. Okay, this much of name also will come, don't worry. Control S, Alt Tab. Bade Vera Venkata Krishna Vamsi. BVVKV. Okay. Next one, 504. Control S, Alt Tab. If it is 504 means Mahesh will come. Battina Mahesh. Okay. 504 means the RNO equal to 504, that's why this will be executed. Suppose roll number equal to 505. Alt tab. What will happen? Not saved this file. Control S. Alt tab. Roll number equal to 505. MVR College, because 505, first one is not matched, second one is not, nothing is matched, then the else part will be executed. Suppose roll number equal to 509 also, MVR College will come. MVR College, nothing is matched. Okay, here this is about if else statement in Python. Control A, Control A, Control C. Okay, in this program, the else part is optional. If there is no else, no problem, nothing will be displayed. I am deleting this one. Control S, else, like default in C language, the default statement, the else part is optional. No else is there, no else part is there now in this program. Okay, now I am running this program. No problem, nothing will be outputted because no condition is matched. If it is matched means 502 means Control S, Alt Tab. If it is matched means the output will come, otherwise will not. The else part is mandatory or optional. The else part is optional in elif statement. This is called elif statement. If I want to print Tejaswini is printed, I want to print one more also. If I not to use true means I want to print one more. Then we have to place brackets here. Okay, if it is true, if I not to use true means I want to execute these two statements, not one line. If more than two statements means we have to write the block like that. Okay, print some syntax error is there, invalid syntax Python programming flow3.py. What is the invalid syntax? If multiple lines are there means we have to separate with the comma. Control S, Alt, Tab, Python flow3.py. Okay, in block multiple lines are there means we have to separate with multiple lines with a comma. Okay, print Tejaswini comma, print Python programming. Okay, in this fashion we will execute multiple lines. If single line means not required anything. Okay, multiple lines means okay, these are optional here. If we put indentation here, delete all these starting at this point. Okay, comma is also not required. If we all these are related to this condition only, print like this. Okay, this in this case also these two lines will be executed. Alt tab Python flow3.py Tejaswini Python programming. Just indentation. All that block, indented block related to that condition. In Python, very important is indentation. Okay, this is about elif statement in Python programming language. Yeah, Control C. My notes. Okay. This is elif statement in Python programming language. Next, we have in this session we have seen if statement, if else statement, elif statement. These are called condition control statement. What is the condition control statements in Python in programming? Condition control statement are the statements. If the condition is true, certain block of statements is executed, otherwise not. The conditional control statements in Python programming language are these statements. The condition control statements in Python programming language are these statements: if statement, elif statement, last one if else statement. First one if else, elif statements. We have seen all the programs on these three statements. If you have any query or any doubt, go through this one. Okay, on the take the pen and paper, note these also. Finally, I am saying we will do one more program also, check the given number is even or not. Okay, what is once again I am repeating, what is condition control statements in Python programming language? Condition control statements are the control statements. If the condition is true, certain statements are executed. False, certain statements are executed. Okay, the condition control statements used in Python programming language are: first one if statement, if else statements, elif statement. Okay, these are the condition control statements. Next, last in this session, we will see the last program. Okay, write a Python program to check whether the given number is even or odd. From the user, I want to read one number, check whether the given number is even or odd. If it is even number, it has to print even. The given number is even number. If it is odd number, it has to print the given number is odd number. Okay, I will write last program in this session. We will see flow3 file, save as flow4.py. Control I am deleting all. No equal to, I am reading the number. No equal to NO equal to NO. Just I am saved the name as flow4.py. NO equal to reading the number. How to read the number from the end user? Int of input. For reading the number, the statement is input. Enter number. Okay, how to read a number from end user? In previous session I have covered this topic. Go through the PPTs, that videos. Okay, NO equal to input int of enter number. Okay, if condition NO percent 2 equal to 0. If it is true, NO when that number is divided with 2, the remainder is 0. Suppose 4 is divided with 2, remainder 0. Is it 4 is even number or odd number? Printf, not printf, print the given number is even number. Okay, different styles are there printing. Okay, I am writing here this one, format NO. The given number is even number. Else if it is false, there is no elif, there is no need to condition any others also. Else is also has separator. Okay, else I am writing the same statement. Print the given number is even or odd number. What is another way of printing? Close inverted commas, comma, NO, comma, close. This is also another style of printing. In most of the projects, this style is using. Okay, Control S, Alt Tab. We will go to the command prompt now. Okay, CLS, clear screen, flow4.py. The name of this program is flow4.py. Flow4.py. Enter the number 80. 80 is even number or the given number 80 is even number. Suppose I am running the same program once again. 97. The given number 97 is odd number. This is the program for checking whether the given number is even number or odd number. Okay, next today I will give assignment program on program. Write a Python program to read three numbers as input. Find the biggest of given three numbers. Suppose enter the first number, enter the second number, enter the third number. Okay, 57 is bigger, or another number 999 is bigger. Like that I am expecting the output. Try yourself for this program. Okay, this is about condition control statements in Python programming language. Next session we will see iteration statements. Okay, what is the flow control statements in Python programming language? Condition control statements, iteration statements. Next one, branching statements. Condition control statements, if, elif, if else. Those three are covered here. Next session we will see for and for loop. Next, break and continue. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.